Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free footage on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut on my PC and I have created a project as well. And if you want to get the free footage on your CapCut PC, you have to click on library option right here. And these are the footages that you can use guys. You just need to scroll down to find the footage that you want, or you can also search for the footage right here on the search option. And for example, I'm going to search for flower like this, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and these are the flower footages, and you can select the flower that you like, and don't forget to download the footage to use it. You can click on this download button to download it. So for example, I'm going to download this one, so just tap on this download option. Then you have to wait until the footage has been downloaded, and after the footage has been downloaded, you can click on this plus button to add this footage to your timeline. Okay, just tap on this plus button, and now the footage has been added to our timeline, and we can edit the footage as we want. Alright guys, and that's how we can get a free footage on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.